You're going to get into a lunge, and we're going to really be stretching the front of the legs, so the hip flexors. You're going to plant your toes, support your elbow on your knee, extend out of the head, long torso, tummy in, rib cage in. Your first contraction is pushing forward, the second contraction is pushing everything back. So first one, pushing your thigh forward, foot into the ground, knee into the ground, holding for 15 seconds. You should feel it in your hip flexors. Now we're going to push the back of the leg back. Think about it like you're trying to lift your heel off the floor. So your heel is pushing up, your hamstrings are pushing up, but again, isometric, so there's no actual movement. And now we're going to push everything forward. So the quads, the toes are pushing into the ground, the knees are pushing into the ground, and the quads are pushing forward. Now we're going to push back, so hamstring, the heel is pushing up towards the ceiling as if you're kicking up your leg. Keep extending out of the head. Now bringing the leg forward, so thigh forward, knee into the ground, toes into the ground, pushing as if you're kicking your foot forward. Bringing the leg back now, as if you're kicking towards the ceiling, so heel towards the ceiling, calf and hamstring to the ceiling. And now set up for our last 30-second hold. Still extending out of the head, lengthening the front of the hip flexor, making sure that your rib cage is down, your core is engaged, that you're still breathing. With every exhale, think about opening up that hip flexor. So inhale, extend the head, exhale, lengthen the hip flexor. You can stay here longer, but if you're done your 30 seconds, we'll stop here and switch to the other side.